Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is image of God. So, being in image of God, being made in the image of God means that every human being reflects something of God's character. We are rational, moral, creative, relational, and spiritual. We were created to represent Him on earth, to reflect His glory, and to live in loving relationship with Him and with others. True sin has married that image, it has not destroyed it. In Christ, we are being renewed to once again bear that image more clearly. So, ayon po sa Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 to 27, then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over the livestock and all the wild animals, and over all the creatures that moves along the ground." So God created mankind in His own image. In the image of God, He created them. Male and female, He created them. So ayon po sa ating katuruan, all people are equal in value and dignity. So lahat daw po ng tao ay pantay-pantay sa value and dignity. So ibig sabihin, walang mas mataas o mas mababa sa paningin ng Diyos. Pare-pareho tayong mahalaga at may respeto anuman ang ating lahi, itsura, trabaho, or estado sa buhay. So next is looking down on people is looking down on God. So kapag minamalit mo ang kapwa mo, para mo na ring minamalit ang Diyos. So dahil ang bawat tao ay nilikha ayon sa katawan ng Diyos, kapag hindi mo sila nire-respeto, parang hindi mo na rin nire-respeto ang Diyos na lumikha sa kanila. So living in God's image means living like Christ. Ang pamumuhay sa wangis ng Diyos ay pamumuhay tulad ni Kristo. Si Jesus ay namuhay ng may pagmamahal sa kababaang loob at katarungan. Kung gusto natin i-represent si God, dapat ganoon din ang ating asal at ang ating puso. So, para naman po sa ating applications, view all people as image bearers of God. So, tingnan ang lahat ng tao bilang nilikha sa wangis ng